Alright, for all you homesteaders out there, I thought I'd do off-grid chicken plucker video. This is something that doesn't require a motor. It's just, all you really have to have is the 55-gallon barrel, drum, whatever you want to call it, and the chicken fingers, which I did order off of eBay. But let me show you. I made it so I could just set it up on blocks, so for the morning it wouldn't be near as heavy, and it'd be more portable, and I could move it around easy. And all you do is, I've got a handle right here. You just grab the handle and you turn it, and that's where the chicken goes. Made a little exit hole that I cut out with a jigsaw right there. You keep the water hose on it, and so it'll rinse the feathers off. Once the chicken's scalded, you just throw it in here. As far as the disc in the bottom is just the top of this drum that I cut off, and I drilled holes, put my fingers in that, and then I went to Home Depot and I got some plumbing fittings, got a flange right there, and then I got I believe it was a shower drain on the bottom, and I flipped it upside down. Then I had to use my rotary tool and kind of drill this flange out just a little bit on the inside so that it would move freely and easily. And 2-inch PVC pipe, drilled a hole in it and made me a handle, and then put a little PVC pipe on it where it would spin as I turn it around. And I'll give you a better shot all the way around. You can really just make it however you want to. This is kindly, I seen this idea from somebody else, and I kindly just took the idea and made it into my own. Now, set it up on the blocks where the feathers and the water can come out right there through that little slot into the bucket. And I will try to get a video shot of when we get a chicken scalded and put in there. Okay, now go back the other way. Yeah, there you go. Go both ways. It seems to do better. A bit faster. Hey, that's pretty good. Okay, and here's what the chicken looks like. There's a few feathers that usually stay on the wings and stuff. I don't know if you can see them for the shading and stuff, but it actually looks really good. Now all I gotta do is pluck what few feathers is left, and then I gotta cut the feet off and gut it, and then give it another quick rinse, and that'll be it. It'll be ready to put in the freezer. As the grocery store would say, that's a whole fryer. Alright, maybe this helps somebody out there that wants to do an off-grid chicken plucker. See you later.